How's it going, everybody? Today I'm back with another video, and I'm going to be unboxing the Amazon Echo Plus. So we're going to get right into this and open it right up, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the capabilities of the Echo Plus and kind of just talk about the packaging as well, and leave the rest for a review later on to tell you my thoughts on it. So we're going to start right away by opening up the box here. Just going to peel off this arrow. There we go. And open it up from the side and take a look at the contents. So, in the box here, we have, in the back corner, a little tiny box, and inside it is just a wall outlet and a cord to connect to your Amazon Echo Plus. We have the Amazon Echo Plus itself. This looks really nice, and this is like a space gray or a silver. And there is also a manual in here. And this is actually stuck in the box. And there's just a bunch of little information packets about the Echo Plus. So, all in all, not too much to talk about in the box here. The packaging was nice, it looked good, but in reality, not a lot of stuff comes with it. I don't really have much to say on it, other than the speaker's good. It works like the Echo Dot. It's also very similar to the Google Home, which is another one of these smart AI devices that you can have in your home. You basically just say, "Hey Alexa," you talk to it, and Alexa can give you a lot of information. That's kind of the gist of all this. It does have a really good speaker. It it hooks up to your Wi-Fi, it can sync with your phone, and there's a lot of commands that you can tell Alexa. One of the differences between Amazon Echo and the Google Home is that this has some more features. Even though the AI is maybe not as good, this does have some more features and more apps for it. So that's my unboxing. Real quick look at what you get in the box. Really excited to be able to use this and give you guys a review, and maybe in the future even a comparison between the Amazon Echo and the Google Home. But for now, that's everything. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're enjoying my channel content, don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one.